Hi, Brendan from Metra Electronics here with a new solution for 2017 and up Kia Niros, the 99-7382HG. This kit is designed for a single and double din install and is painted gloss black with matte black controls. Now this is a new style kit that has integrated electronics with laser etched graphics to retain your factory climate control display features. This kit is also plug and play with your factory backup cam and our ASWC1 for steering wheel controls. To finalize this install, your wiring harness, antenna adapter, ASWC1, and your backup camera harness are all included. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.